Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be doing another DIY ponytail, but in today's video will be a braided ponytail wig. So for this video I'll be needing a pack of braiding hair and a crochet needle and this ponytail wig cap. So I'm just going to cut that into two because I want it to be long, and I'm just going to start feathering it out. And you want to make this so that it doesn't have a blunt end. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. And also after doing that, I'm just going to mix it together, and this is just going to help me to so that it shouldn't tangle up a lot when I'm combing it out. And this is also good when you are doing if you want to color blend, say you want to color blend two colors together. So yeah, this is me combing it out, and you want to make sure there are no knots or tangles inside. You want to comb it until your comb can run through the hair without any obstacles. So yeah, this process usually takes me a while, and I'm just going to skip to the next part. And there it is, guys, smooth with no knots. And I'm just going to put that and pin that ponytail cap on my mannequin head, and I'm just going to use some pins to make sure they are firmly secured. I'm going in with my crochet needle. I'm going to insert it through the mesh. As you can see, the eyes of the mesh of the cap or the ponytail cap are pretty small, so it was a struggle trying to get it in at first. So I had to wiggle it before I could actually get it to go through. This is just because I didn't find the ones with the bigger holes in the beauty supply store I went to, so this was the one they had at the time. So yeah, guys, that is why I got this one, but this isn't it's not the one I wanted. But yeah, so I'm just going to make sure I pull through one end of it and make sure they are of the same length. And I'm just going to grab another piece of hair, and this one is going to be bigger than the first one, and I'm just going to use the other one as a base, and I'm just going to braid that into it. And I will join the first two ends and use that as one portion of the braiding hair. I don't know if I'm making any sense at all, but this video is pretty self-explanatory, and I am sure you are seeing what I'm doing. So when I was braiding this hair, and I realized that it would be better for me to insert do the base while I do I finish it off later. So that's what I'm just going to do. After a couple of braids, I'm just going to start doing that because I find that it's going to take less time, and I can actually let the people in the house help me to do it. So yeah, so if it tangles up when you're braiding it, you can just grab a comb and just comb that through for easy braiding, because it's going to tangle up, and that's going to make it really smooth.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Yeah, so I did do this combo. I did not do it myself. Let me just put that out there. And this is my braided ponytail wig, and that is how long it is. I don't have a tape to measure it, but yeah.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
I'm just firmly going to tie that around the bun. I'm just going to grab a few pieces of this and just wrap it around. So, and that is it for our braided ponytail wig. This is so easy and fun. Look at that. It takes like this whole look from 0 to 100. Out the ponytail wig, it just looks basic, but with this, it's giving me a bougie vibe. Makes me look bad and bougie, and you can just play with it. Ooh, I think this is my favorite. Yeah, guys, so that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Da 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 da. Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of